2, 3, go.
So we had a peer leading project where we went to elementary schools and we had to talk about the different issues that we as teenagers are facing nowadays. And our group topic was linking drugs to sex. And we had to talk about the different the negative effects of having sex at a young age and also abusing drugs. And from there, not only did the younger generation learn, and also we as teenagers learn about the different complications. And also throughout this whole program, the skill that I acquired throughout this program was time management, because being a student and a peer leader at the same time is very time consuming, and time management is a skill that I possessed when I went through this program.
One of the important lessons that I've learned as a Tupulaga Ta'iala peer leader is to be confident and always have that positive mindset that there is always an answer, or rather a solution to the problems that we go through as teenagers.
When I first started working with other peer leaders, putting together our script, skits, and all our ideas as a group to create our presentation, we even sacrificed our time to come together, like myself as a high school student with a busy schedule, an athlete with tiring practices, a daughter who's always expected to be at home before Lukuafiafi. Even other peer leaders have a busy schedule, but without sacrificing our time to come together, we wouldn't have the best outcome, and we wouldn't be able to deliver our message to our young brothers and sisters. Teamwork does make a dream work.
What I thought was really fun about this program was prepping for presentations to go to different schools, and I really enjoyed it because the kids' faces they were like so surprised, and that's what I really enjoyed. And also working with my other peer leaders as well.
What's up, guys? We're almost done with our video. This is shot 3, going on to the 4th one. Let's go. Pure Mentoring Ta'iala program.
The program has taught me a lot, mostly about the do's and don'ts of relationships. Basically because I was in one myself, and it changed the whole perspective of how I saw myself, how others see me, what other people thought about me and my relationship. When we taught the younger generation, again, about the do's and don'ts of relationship, what a toxic relationship is, what a good relationship is, and it really helped me. My advice to the younger generation that goes through relationship problems is to let it out. Vent to other people, talk to other people, because what if I talk to someone about it? What if I didn't keep it inside? So it's better to talk to people than to keep it inside.
What I learned from the peer leading program is to encourage young folks to not be involved with drugs, to not be pregnant at a very young age, and it was a good experience to have fun and enjoy being a youth, and to stay away and to be safe.
What I learned from the Tupulaga Ta'iala program is work together with the peer leaders of Tafuna High School, and it was a fun experience. The program challenged me to always stand up tall and never be afraid of what life will bring us.
I am Lefituya.
My name is Walmataguri.
I'm Zarataya PC. I'm Grander Opati.
I'm Janela Baharman.
Social Trader.
I am Faith Sayuli, and I am a peer leader of the Tupulaga Ta'iala program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is... I'm sorry.
Hey guys, so we just finished shooting. This is day 6, I believe, of editing, filming and everything. So far everything is good. I'll get back to you guys afterwards. Let's go. Pure Mentoring 2019.
My name is Social Trader.
Recording in 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, my name is Gingerly Saili.